Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make Pom Pom slime. Okay, so let's start. So these are the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a bowl and something to mix with. I got this from Daiso. Some Suave Kids shampoo or any shampoo that is clear. It will thicken the slime up. A 1 cup measuring cup. Some water. Pom Poms. I have these two colors which are so adorable. I bought this from Candlelicious, and I'll make sure to link them down below. I'll also add some black glitter. And I'm going to be using 4 ounces of clear PVA glue. Please note, don't use clear wood glue. It won't work. And finally, an airtight container. Okay guys, so first up, you're gonna need your mixing bowl and put all the glue in it. Oh, and you will also need your borax activator. I'm using borax, which is half a teaspoon of borax with 1 cup of hot water. Then when you have all of your glue in the bowl, then add in half a cup of Suave Kids shampoo, and the next thing you're gonna need to add is 3 quarts of water. Then just give it a light stir. I just like to add in some black glitter because I saw a Pom Pom slime on Pinterest with some black glitter in it, and it looked totally amazing. Then you would like to give it a stir too to kind of blend all the glitter into the mixture. Then you're going to take your borax activator and start activating the slime. So remember guys, this is half a teaspoon of borax and dissolved in a hot cup of water. Add in very slowly because clear glue does activate at a high speed. So you don't want to overactivate it, so just make sure you add a bit at a time. Keep mixing and mixing until the slime glumps up and it becomes slime. Keep adding the activator. Mix a lot. After mixing for about 10 minutes, I decided to go in with my hands, and one thing I found really hard is that my whisk got all the slime captured in it, so I've got to take that out. But this was a really good whisk. It made my slime very smooth and had no lumps. So then I just went in with my hands and kneaded it, so I have the final good texture. I kept on adding a bit of borax at a time, so it turns into a non-sticky slime. So as I said, keep on adding the borax activator until it forms some slime. So you will start seeing that when you get to this stage, you will start seeing that your slime is starting to clean up the bowl, so you will never have to wash this bowl again. I hate washing bowls. Like, I don't know why. I love making slime, but I hate washing bowls. Fun fact about me, yay. So then add some of the pom-poms in, and look at it, it's so beautiful. It has kind of like an opaque base because the air bubbles are trapped in it. Like, it's super, super beautiful. So you guys want to put the slime into the container, the airtight container, and after a few days you will end up with the texture, an amazing texture, and it looks amazing. It's really clear, it's so thick and stretchy. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe down below, put thumbs up for this video, and comments in the section below what type of slime or what you want me to do next in my other videos in the future. So yeah, thanks guys, and I also wish that your tries are gonna be good as mine. It's gonna work for you guys. The slime's gonna work, I guarantee. Bye!